Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be removing the window tint on the two front windows of my Corvette, as well as the back glass hatch window. So I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to show you how to remove the film and what you need to do it. Let's get right into it. You're going to need some sort of heat gun. In my case, I'm going to be using a hairdryer, as well as some kind of glass cleaner and some paper towel. In some cases, depending on how old the tint, you might need a razor blade as well. So I picked up a few of these. Adhesive remover is your best friend. As you can see, this window is full of adhesive everywhere. So that adhesive remover is going to be very handy. Let it soak on the window, work its magic, and then grab a paper towel, scrub it in. If all else fails, spray some soapy water and use your razor blade to scrape all of it off. Since the adhesive is so sticky, the spray-on adhesive remover just sticks right to it. It looks like a fishbowl now. Yes, the car is dirty, I know. Window's clean though, and there's no adhesive on it left. I'm embarrassed to tell you how long it took me to take the adhesive off with this little razor. I actually ended up scraping the entire window with this little thing. So you can imagine how long it took. This is the process of scraping the window. See that sludge on the blade there? That is what the entire window is filled with. I have completely taken all of the adhesive off this window, cleaned both sides. It's good to go. It looks amazing, crystal clear. Both side windows have been removed and cleaned. Now it's time for the back hatch glass. I am now in the back hatch of my car to show you how bad the back tint looks. So this is why I am replacing the rear glass tint. Clearly something scratched the ever-living shit out of it. Important note, you cannot use a razor blade to scrape across these defrost lines in the back window. So just so you know, take your time on this one. Go really slow so most of the adhesive comes off. And if you have excess adhesive left over, resort to a scrubber and not a scraper. As it looks, I think I got really lucky on the back window because there's no adhesive left. It just needs a good clean inside and out. And that was what I thought was gonna be the hardest window, was actually the easiest window. All right, I've given the car a full car wash. It is very nice and clean. Tint all successfully removed. Looks like a fishbowl. I hate the look of no tint, but out with the bad tint, in with the brand new tint, coming very soon. Thanks for watching. I hope you can figure out how to remove your tint, and I will catch you in the next one.